Here we are, day 14, Casa De Malouff, rebuild, no longer considered a remodel, it's a rebuild. So we have the trash container here. I might put some more trash in here before he takes it. He's gonna take it today. The contractors are not here today. I think they're doing a family thing in Mexico, so they're off today. Or at least a couple of them are off, I think. I'm not sure if the attic guys are coming back today or not. I don't think so. Or maybe they did. Maybe they did. I don't know. They're supposed to take that stuff away, so we'll see. Oh, I forgot the other rake. Shoot. That's all right. Got plenty of time. So anyways, nothing's changed out here in the back. It's all the same stuff. So we're going to be working on the inside today. And the inside only. So let's see, we're going to finish up the bathroom. But the issue is, I turned the lights, I took out the lights, so I have no light. So I have to see how the camera is going to work, and you'll be able to see what I'm doing. But I'm going to take those two walls out and try to take out the tub. And then we'll clean everything up. So that's part of day one. I don't know if we need to take the ceiling out. I don't know. You know, maybe I should go up in the attic and see how the ceiling looks since we took out the insulation. I may do that. I may go up there and see how bad the ceiling looks as far as for mold or termite or anything like that. Wow, they took this insulation out. So anyways, that's project number one. Project number two, coming to this bathroom and doing this bathroom. And again, I have no light. So I can stop right now and go home and get my big spotlight, which I might do, but it's not worth it. We'll figure it out. So we'll figure out something how to get a light in here. So anyways, and then the next project is cutting out the drywall or tearing out the drywall for this wall and tearing out the kitchen. So we'll see if we're able to do everything today, if we can get all this done today. If not, we'll probably most likely finish it tomorrow. So get some airflow in the house here. And we get started. Welcome to day 14, Casa De Malouff. And you know what to do and where to do it and how to do it and when to do it. All right, let's make it happen. right, before I continue cleaning up my mess, tore out the walls here. I just got the shower washers I'll do later on. Anyways, in the back of this one, still some debris. Now some of that's the drywall, but that's all mess. That's all mess. I don't trust all that. We got cobwebs back here. Yeah. Cobwebs, different things. So all this is gonna be, yeah, see right here, termite shit. So termites are in here, so I gotta clean all this out. Down below, I kind of expected that behind the toilet. So we're still getting closer to every drywall in the house having to be removed. I'm a 1 inch closer, we'll see. Anyways, I'm gonna stop for lunch. It's my break here, and I'll try to come back and tear that out. All right, I'll start the video from the garage. This is the conclusion of day 14. I think today's 14. Lose track of time. Okay, nothing to film in the front. It's the same shit. Same thing, nothing different. All the trash was picked up. Sort of. I did bring my rake. Oh yeah, I gotta get it out of the van. So I can rake up the red rocks. And we're gonna do something with the garden. Figure out what to do with this. I'm not sure if I'll keep this grass or change this to rock. Eventually, later on. But let's go through here. And give me 1 second, hold on. Okay, I'm back. I just took the rake out of the garage, out of the car, so I don't forget it. Put it over here. Okay, so today, pretty good accomplishment. Happy with today's work. Successful. Let's go check it out. Oh, my knee's killing me. Icy Hot's gonna be my buddy tonight. Okay. This bathroom is pretty much done, except for the tub. Toilet we're gonna keep for now, in case the guys need to go use the restroom. They may go ahead and just tell me to leave the tub, and they'll take the tub out when they come in here. So the tub may stay. I don't like the mold on those beams back there. See the cobwebs back there? I don't like that shit. So this is dirty. There's more cobwebs right here. I don't know if that's from spiders or termites. If you know, you let me know. But anyways, I don't like it. So I made the decision on the interior walls. I'm going to take out at least one. So for example, I'm going to remove this wall out here. This one wall. And I might remove this wall, the bedroom. These two, I'm not sure I need to worry about. But that wall I don't need to take out. I got to look at the other wall. So I don't need to take out both drywalls. All I need is to take one out and clean out the mess. See all that crap? All that kind of crap and termite. I just need one side. See, like this side. Oh, I don't need to take out this wall. I cleaned out this side. So I'll get the vacuum up all that crap inside there and clean up. So these two walls outside, I just said I don't need to because they're right here. So the kitchen, I think that's part of the kitchen. So I don't need to take that out. So I'll take it out anyways because I'm going to rip out the kitchen. But from taking this wall out and noticing termite here in the middle and up here above, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, up there in here, termite crap, termite everywhere inside the inner walls. So basically, maybe that whole wall is going to come out. And I'll clean it up and then we'll put it back. So just only one side. I don't need both sides. So here we already cleaned the outside walls with the insulation. So I don't need to change these walls. This one I think is for the bathroom. Yeah. Okay. So that's going to get cleaned up. So I don't need to change that. Only that's cleaned up from this side. So maybe either this wall or the front door wall. This is from the outside. So I don't need to change out too much. These are from the outside. Okay, this is the closet. I guess I could tear out for the closet. I'll talk to the contractor and see what he says. But maybe I'll tear out this wall and that takes care of the bedroom. And then this one takes care of this bedroom. So it's not as bad as it seems. It is bad. I don't like it. But I got to do it anyways. Like all that stuff's got to get swept out and cleaned up. So let's go back. Enough of that blibber blabber of that shit. You'll figure it out when I do it. Okay. I can't turn the light on because I disconnected all the power. There's your light. Turn the light on. Where's your switch? Oh, there's the switch, but there ain't no light. Okay, so as you see, this bathroom is gutted and almost ready to begin. So take out the tub, and this is, I got to take out all the nails. So and then this one's almost ready for refurbishment. I'll talk with the contractor about switching out the roof ceiling as well. I'm not going to do it right now because I got some other plans for it. So that was done today. You see in the video, finished that up. And then as you see, I ripped out this wall. I ripped out that wall. So we're going to cut it off right here. And then keep this part here and tear that part out. Open that up. So for the kitchen, this is going to be torn out, but I need a little bit of drywall, so I may end up having to have a wall. Probably, let's see here. The height of this plus probably 9 inches. And then the switches will go down into that 9 inches. All the light switches, all electrical will be within that, down below 9 inches. And then we'll have a bar top come out. So this will be drywall. So I'll have the electrical here and behind the plumbing. So, and it'll be like an island. It'll be the island. So this stuff will just come down a little bit further and then we'll bar it off. But all of the wires are going to have to go over here, and we're going to make somehow make it come down here. Maybe I'll keep this open and the wires come this way and then come across that whatever we need. So yeah, so those wires will have to come through, come down, come across, make it happen. So that's what that's going to end up. AC unit is looking at possibly being replaced completely. According to the guys that were in the attic, I do need new air ducts. So if I'm getting new air ducts, I might as well get new unit. Another added expense on top of expense on top of expense. Okay, I think I showed you this one. Yep, that's it. So that was the accomplishment for the day. Tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, share, tell anybody, tell nobody. I don't care. Have fun. All right, day 14 come to conclusion. Day 15 starts tomorrow. This is a never-ending progress. Somebody asked me how much money I'm spending on this project. Well, one person told me it was only a $30,000 refurb. Yeah, right. I won't tell you how much my budget is right now, but it ain't 30,000. So, but I am getting a good deal. I think I'm getting a fair deal with the contractor I'm working with. I'm happy with content. We're on the same page. So, this is all seriousness. Let me flip. Hey, here I am. So, being that I am over budget more than I want it to be, but I have to be because in order for me to make this a decent house, if I don't know how to set up some GoFundMe, and I hate asking people for money. So if you wish to send me $5 or $10 or donate, comment, what's my address, or give me a private message, what's my address, and you can send it. I appreciate it. I would accept that. It'd be great. Help me out. If not, hey, it's all good. It's going to get done either way. So, anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. It's all new day. Make it happen.